Welcome all, Papa G here. Today is Saucy Sunday. It's where we focus primarily on low-carb recipes for sauces, condiments, and dressings. Most of the videos will be short and to the point, just something to help add a little flavor to your low-carb diet. Let's get started. For this week's episode, I present my garlic and Parmesan dressing. This dressing adds not only awesome flavor, but texture as well. The garlic and Parmesan pair so well together it works great not only as a salad dressing, but makes an incredible dip for fish and chicken. Let me show you how to make it. Begin with a sauce pot with about 1.5 to 2 cups of water on high heat. Add 1 tablespoon of liquid crab oil seasoning, and about 2 tablespoons of lemon juice. When it reaches a boil, add 6 peeled garlic cloves. Let the garlic boil for 15 minutes. Drain and place the garlic on a flat surface. Use a fork and mash the garlic until there's no longer any solid pieces, and set aside. Add some mayonnaise to a mixing bowl, along with some grated Parmesan cheese, apple cider vinegar, lemon juice, a sugar substitute equal to 1 teaspoon of regular sugar, add some salt, granulated garlic, some dried oregano, dried basil, ground black pepper, and some dried thyme. Finally, add all of the mashed garlic. Use a whisk and mix together. You'll notice with very little liquid ingredients, it's still on the thick side. Add 1.5 tablespoons of water to thin out. Now give this a final mix to blend. Cover and place in the refrigerator for at least 3 hours to allow the flavors to come together. After it's had a chance for the flavors to meld, remove, and your salad dressing is ready to serve. A perfect topping for your next salad. Delicious. There you have it, folks, my creamy and delicious garlic Parmesan dressing. An easy-to-make recipe to help add flavor to your low-carb diet. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please like and consider subscribing. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.